back with Camo. We're just really working on shaping the behavior of heel, which is very, very difficult with these dogs because they have a tendency to get distracted by something, and then kind of, this is what you kind of get right here. Anyway, so I don't have the sound box thing on, but I do have my nick set really high, so if he hits the end of the leash, we've got to make him more conscious of our role in his life, not somebody that's just holding on to the end of the leash. You know, that we're really controlling the dynamic of everything. So if I am hitting that nick, I'm popping the leash too, disguising it. Yeah, so it's not a shock, as they say. Because a shock would be coming out of nowhere. It's not too hard to figure out what's going on. So anyway, that's what we've been doing. It looks real boring. But if you don't do that part first, you're never going to get him to heel. So we're working on it. We'll be right back.